Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can upload any photo or video in the Facebook page. For that, you just need to open the Facebook and logged in into the Facebook page you have created on your Facebook. And after that, on the top you can see what's on your mind option. Just tap into it, and then here you can tap into it and write any caption you want to. And after that, and on the below, you can see the photo or video option. Just tap in it, and then you can choose any video or photo you want to upload on the Facebook page. Suppose I have chosen one video that I want to upload it, and type any caption here. Then after you have chosen a video or a photo you want to post on the page and written the caption on it, then on the top right corner you can see the next option. Or if you want to add more, then you can just tap on add more option, and from here you can add another video or photos to upload. So on the top right corner you can see the next option, tap on it, and then here is the post setting, that who can comment, scheduling option and collaborator option. On the top right corner you can see the post option, just tap on it, and then your video will be posted on the page. So this was it guys. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.